How do you know your car swipe bar is damaged or not? Hello guys, how are you? This is AZ Auto Fix. My topic today, I will show you how do you know your car swipe bar is damaged or not. Simply, I will show you some sign to know your swipe bar of your car is damaged. One of the sign, if you open your old swipe bar from your car and you see like this, too loose, as you see here, this mean is damaged. This maybe will make a noise for in your car. Another sign, as you see guys, there, now this rubber is damaged. This mean also is damaged. That's two signs. I will show you a new one. This is a new. You see guys, for first sign, look, a new one, it is too tight, not like previous one. As you see, it's too loose. Okay. By one to move too fast, and new one, look, it's too tight. And this new means not damage because it's new, but this one is damage. Second sign, as I show you, the rubber, if damaged, that means it's damaged. Like new one, it's okay. And you see like this, so this means it's damaged. So swipe bar, it should be straight, not like this curved. If curved, this is another sign of your swipe bar is damaged. Maybe your car not going straight.